Hi, it's Dave from C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today, it's just gonna be a quick video, but it's something that we haven't showed you a video of, but these are out on the market. So if you look at this Jeep, and we've done the work on this Jeep, he has a lift and bigger wheels and tires and stuff, but he was getting the notorious death wobble that Jeeps tend to get with the bigger wheels and tires. So what did he do? He called and he ordered, and we did the installation on it, and it's kind of hard to see, but it's in here. He did the rough country dual steering stabilizer. So now there's a shock on this side and a shock on that side. And basically now he has more dampening force to help control that notorious Jeep death wobble. Because your factory one is only a single and it's only on one side, and it really can't take the abuse that these nice big wheels and tires can do. So if you guys have a Jeep, there's a bunch of companies out here. The rough country one is a good, reasonably priced one. They make two. This is the V2, this is the all aluminum shock body, a little nicer. They do make one that has a steel shock body, a little bit more cost effective, but they basically all do the same thing, and that's to help dampen down any vibrations in your steering system. This will not make your steering system harder to turn, tighter. That's not what it's for. This is just merely if you hit a pothole with this tire, the Jeep doesn't start doing that on you. So a really good option for you guys with a Jeep. I'm sure you've seen them out there. I'm sure you've heard about them. We can get it to you anywhere in the country. Give us a call, talk to anybody at the store. If you need it installed like this customer did, we can do the install for you, get you down the road, and now he's not worried about the dreaded Jeep death wobble. So if you like the video, hit the button. Please subscribe to the channel. We're doing all new sorts of stuff. And once again, my name's Dave with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. Thanks.